breakfast with some oatmeal and I fixed about a half a cup of oatmeal. So I need a cup of milk with my half a cup of oatmeal, and I use the almond milk, simple truth almond milk. And I'm gonna put a capful of vanilla in there. It may be too much for some people, but y'all ain't eating this. I am. And I got some earth balance here. And I'm gonna put about maybe a teaspoon of butter over in there. And I have some cinnamon. And I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon in the pot. Maybe that's a lot. To me, it's a little. And I'm going to let that come to a boil for a minute. And today, I think I want some berries. I got this dragon fruit blend from Costco. And I don't know if this one is organic or not. It isn't, because I haven't bought it anymore. And I just have a little bit left. So, but I'm going to eat it anyway, because it's been in there forever. I've been eating it, trying to get rid of it. It's been in my freezer forever, and I'm trying to eat down food and not go back to the grocery store. So I'm gonna find all the little chips in here that's left, and then the rest of it be done, because there's nothing else in this bag. Got a few little broken off pieces of fruit. The rest of it is just ice. So that's it. Got some whole organic strawberries. I might put a couple of those in there. And these are frozen too from Costco. So I'm going to put about 3 of those in there. 4. And that's enough fruit. And we'll let that come to a boil, and then we'll come back. Okay, I put a top on it. It's gotten a little warm now. So I want to add about a tablespoon of agave. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. So I like mine a little sweet. And fruit doesn't make it all that sweet. It's sweet, but because my milk is plain. I guess if I had vanilla milk, it'd be fine. But I cook with my almond milk a lot, so I never buy anything but plain. And these big strawberries, I want to smash them down a little bit. And make a mess, per usual. Okay, now it's come to a boil, so I can add my oatmeal. Like I said, I have a half a cup of oatmeal poured in my bowl. I always take the oatmeal out first before I pour the milk in my measuring cup, and I always measure my oatmeal like I do rice. Any grains I always measure. I'm just going to stir that in. Let it do its thing for about 5 minutes. Okay, my oatmeal is how I like it. Not too wet, not too dry. I like it to be kind of thick, not runny. I'm sure I posted this a million times because I just like oatmeal. So, turn off my eye, pour it into my bowl. And I let it sit for a minute or two after I poured in here to cool off and to thicken up just a little bit more without getting scorched in the pan. And sometimes I top it with some other fruit, but I don't have any. My banana's gone bad. I put them in the freezer, so that's it for that.